Rain world. Ow. Boing, 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 boing. Uh-huh. Yeah. Boop, 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 boop. We're hungry. Find food. Okay. Oh, it's like always the same. What's this? Oh, no, no, no. That was delicious. Thank you. Yeah. I will explore. I will find it. I will capture it. And I need to run as fast as I can before I die. Oh, I think that's like the tutorial area. That makes perfect sense. Man, my screen's dark. I don't care. Continue. I have to press B. The Xbox controller. Ba 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 ba. Can't get over how good this art style is. Got stuff. Thank you, bro, for telling me what to do with this spear. Purple. I need to get over there. Right here. Bugs that way. Oh. I'm happy. Ooh, yeah. I hate myself. I hate myself again. No, you do not hide. I will find you. I will capture you. And I will kill you. And I'll never have anybody die again. Spire said that. Hi, lizard. Boing. Boing. Did you see that white thing? I've never seen that before. I should go that way. Ah, a ton of food. fancy. Oh, no, no. Alright, let's get one more. And go down. Yeah, this way. Through the tutorial area. I don't know if I like that ambience or not. Good night. Man, I never knew slugs got these insanely fancy doors. Why does my voice do that? Sleep. Sleep. Whoa. What's that thingy? I don't know. I know, I wish I knew that. Well, I mean, I did know that. No spear. I don't care about no bugs. There's 2 spears, no way. Boing. Let's go this way. Yeah, easy food. Oop, never mind. Oh, that actually worked. Oh, that did not mean to happen. I wish you could throw up. How do you even get up there? I don't think you can get that one. And I don't want to try. I'm gonna kill that lizard. Because I can. Never mind. Nom. Nom. Alright, here's my wizard. What? How do I click view? What's view? Oh. Well, I wasted my protection. Fun. Maybe I shouldn't kill a wizard. I don't get greedy. Okay, no, don't get greedy. Just play the game. Survive. What in the world was I doing? I do not know. Maybe I should go left instead of up. Nah. Boing. Let's go right. Huh. Boing. Boing. I hear stuff. Hear me out. No. Wait, I wanna stab it. It takes 3 spears, right? Get the spear. I like how they actually like try running away. I killed it. I didn't. It takes a ton of spears actually. I don't know what I was saying about that. Okay. I suck. Spear? No spear? Hi buddy. Can I climb this? Thank you. What's that supposed to mean? Oh, look around. I don't know where my spear went. I mean, I know one was on the lizard. Ow. I can't go that way. What to do? What to do? Boing. Almost failed. Okay. Spear. Got another protection. Can you get multiple protections? Bet you can. Why is that one like glowing? Alright, now I just need to find a better place to live. Oh my gosh. I suck. Hi, buddy. I don't want to be there. Nom nom. Okay, there's a pink lizard. That was actually surprisingly close. Eat it. Oh, I'm full. No! You stupid animal, bug. That button. Okay. I suck. I need to go that way though. Because that's the way I need to go. Boing, boing, jump back. Let's do this. Let's do this Texas style. There we go. That's not really what I wanted. Thanks, buddy. Now I just need to find a home. Yeah, let's do this. Boing. I need to find a better home than this. I'll get it done more exploring, but oh well. I bet the doorway's left. To the next area. 4. This is 4. Let's do this. I don't know what that other thing is. Boing. Come on, I don't have all day. It's gonna rain today. Like every day. Huh? What? Stand up. Is there another spear up there? Grab that spear. Okay. Sounds good so far. So glad that spear's right there. Oh my gosh, I just realized how many paths there are right here. Oh gosh, there's a pink one. Idiot. Oh well. No, just run. Don't grab. Grab bed. Thanks. Okay. No, I threw it. I threw the spear at his face. Also, I meant to go on the rod. I always die there. I suck. What if I just don't try fighting? Okay. I don't even know what the map button is. What's the map? I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Maybe it's like, don't die, or something. Yeah. I know. I suck. Bum 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 bum. On the road again. I broke your ankles so hard you need some new shoes. I don't think that's the same thing though. Don't throw that. AI bug. Bum bum bum. This is bait. If it's big enough, fat enough. Cool. Why? I was way too greedy. I am falling behind. Yes, I know, stop dying. This robot's like, you need help. Oh, that was a hidden spear. Bum 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 bum. I will explore the world today. Cycle 3. Really? No. Wait, what? Oh, he broke the ankles! How did I get that? I don't know. There's this. Wait, no, that's... You're after me now. I should run. With a bat in my hand? Oh. Get in! Why would it not let me get in? So is that person stupid or thingy stupid? Oh, another spear. I wish you could hold 2 spears. That would have been very nice right now. Hi, buddy. Come on. You know you want to. Where did you come from? I hate myself so much. Oh, no, we just need some food. And then I will get out of here. I completely forgot where the other entrance is. Okay, what's that supposed to mean? Yeah, use everything to your advantage. I killed you. You know. Wait, did you actually? No, you did not. What? Ooh, cool. I don't know what that does. Boing, 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 boing. Get in here, go to bed. That was the quickest thing. I don't know how I did that weird jump thingy. Go to the cool. Okay, you can be quiet. Yeah, no touchy. Come on, I'm on a spear. Actually, I don't. I wish you could throw in a diagonal sort of fashion, but that just makes the game so much harder and so much hateable. I love how hard it is. I mean, yeah. Oh, I meant to drop the items so I could actually... Of course, then you come out. I mean, I was going that way, bro. Wait, can I? I'm gonna bring him into the thing so then I could kill him. You can't get away from me, bro. I'm too skilled. My hands are grippers. Those are massive grippers. I mean, I have small but mighty hands. Stop trying. If not, I could just use it as bait.